everyone. Welcome back to the Digital Defined podcast by 77 Creative, where we discuss various topics in the digital design and development world in short form. I'm Kai, and today we're tackling the question, what is a front-end developer? Elliot's joining me today to break down what front-end development is all about. Elliot, can you start us off?
Yeah, so front-end development is all about building the part of software that users interact with directly. Imagine the buttons, the menus, the layout on a web page or app. Front-end developers make all that happen.
Right, it's like the storefront of a digital space then. Can you explain the different kinds of front-end development?
Sure, so there are mainly three big areas: web, native mobile, and desktop. Web front-end is what you'd find on websites using tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, among others. Native mobile front-end developers work on apps for smartphones using platforms like SwiftUI for iOS and various Android UI frameworks. Then there's desktop, which includes applications like the ones you'd have on your computer. Think of something like Microsoft Excel.
We've talked about design tools before, like Figma, which you can hear more about in our previous episode. But how do tools like that fit into front-end development?
So Figma and similar tools are great for UI UX design, which is a big part of front-end work. Developers often work closely with designers to bring these projects to life, and all of this is crucial for creating interfaces that are both functional and visually appealing.
And how does this relate to what we do here at 77?
At 77, we often employ Angular for web development projects. It's one of those frameworks that make it easier to handle complexity like organizing different parts of a site and managing data. But don't worry, even if you're not the technical type, just think of it as a tool that helps us build websites that are robust and scale really well.
Got it. It's fascinating how front-end work intersects with both design and technology, and how it plays such a critical role in delivering the user experience. Thanks for sharing all that, Elliot. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. For more info about 77, visit 77creative.io. Catch you next time.